Alright, got all the screws out. Alright. There's a lot of Bondo. Carpeting. Okay. Just see what the damage is. Apparently I can't see the damage quite yet. There's a lot of Bondo. Oh my god. Okay. I really did a weird job patching this floor. Oh. Okay. Come on. Uh-oh, that thing's coming up. Kind of wanted to do it in layers. Oh, gross. Yeah, that was my stupid. God. Why didn't they take the carpeting out? You got these holes and you leave the carpeting. I mean, all that does is hold water. A lot of window screen. Okay. Well, that's not too bad there. Yeah, more carpeting. It looks like house carpeting too. Doesn't look like automotive carpeting to me. Ooh, look at that, completely separated here. So basically what I'm going to do is, once I know it's the doors lined up and everything, you know, the front support's missing. So once I get this up to where it should be, I'll make sure the door line's right. I might weld a temporary brace across, holding it in place until I get the floor and step in. Oh, yep, there's a little bit more. I think this is like paneling off a camper top almost. An old aluminum camper top. Ooh, this is probably sharp. There we go. Wow, that's heavy. More carpeting, a whole bunch of braces. Definitely have to rebuild this pillar and some of the floor, but I don't think I have to. In my opinion, the floor is not bad enough to buy a whole floor pan. I can rebuild this section here.